All right, everybody, it is summertime here in Western New York, and what a cool time for celebrations with the family. You have Independence Day, of course, July 16th, that's 716, that's the area code here in Western New York. And just a day before that, one of my favorites, National Ice Cream Day. And if you're in the Western New York area, if you're ever in Buffalo, and you want a good scoop of ice cream, you're gonna look for Perry's Ice Cream. That's a company that's been around for the last 100 years. And today, we're gonna head down to Lewiston, New York to check out the silo, our friends over there at the silo, because they have something called the Sand Dock Challenge. Have you heard of this? This is when they fill up a pail, just like this one, with Perry's ice cream. Sounds awesome, and we're gonna look at it today in an episode I call In Search of Ice Cream.
My favorite ice cream flavor would have to be the cookies and cream.
My favorite flavor would be strawberry cheesecake.
Rainbow sherbet.
Cookie dough.
My number one ice cream flavor would have to be sponge candy.
We probably have 500 guests a day.
At just the caboose.
Right. Yeah, we have lines all the way down the road waiting to get in the caboose.
So we received the caboose in spring of 2010, and before that it was actually at Ted Mars, and it was a candy store as well. And so when we got it in 2010, we renovated it into the ice cream caboose, and since then we've done some changes to it. Now we got it like a well-oiled machine. Everything's where it needs to be. We have everything that we need to function at our full capability, and yeah, we've kind of perfected over the last 8 years.
What would be the most amount of employees you have working around in there? Because it's not the biggest space, but how many people do you at max do you have working in there?
Generally we have 2 to 4, and then we have a line that just won't go down for hours, so we'll send 4 at a time in there.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
So a few years back we actually created an ice cream challenge. It's a gallon of ice cream and like a traditional Sand Dock pail that you would bring to the beach with you. It even comes with a plastic shovel. We fill it all the way to the brim with ice cream, Hot Fudge, Oreos, like handfuls of Oreos, like probably 4 inches of whipped cream, cherries, and then we top it with Gummy Worms. So it's like a Sand Dock Sundae.
So first, we start with hot fudge all the way around. So the bottom is completely coated with hot fudge. Then we start with the ice cream. So we're going to use the good stuff, which is Perry's 100th year anniversary ice cream.
My favorite flavor would probably be the good stuff, which is actually Perry's anniversary flavor, their 100th anniversary flavor, and it's yellow cake with strawberry swirls and little chocolate cups filled with strawberry.
And how many scoops of that did you get put in there?
That was 5.
Holy smokes.
And then we're also going to do Heavenly Hash, which is also Perry's 100th year classic. They brought back for their anniversary. And we basically just keep going until this is full of ice cream. It's a lot of fun. We have a lot of kids that try it.
Yeah, I think our youngest was probably 4 years old. It was a cute little boy. He stood on top of the table and just ate it all on his own. It took him a couple hours, but he finished it and he got the shirt and everything.
This is probably like 4 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a gallon of ice cream.
Yeah, so since we started making the Sand Dock Sundaes, we've sold probably 500 of them.
Okay.
And that's about 100 a season.
A lot of people get through it. It takes them a while. We've had people eat it for like 2 hours, all the ice cream. One guy actually asked us for a straw because all the ice cream was melting because it was taking him so long. And there's no time limit, so we had someone do it in 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yep.
5 pounds of ice cream.
Yep.
That's
So I'm just
not even
throwing
human.
some cherries on just to put them in the mix. So this is all M&Ms.
So at this point, you've actually gone above the actual container.
Yes. It gets super fun when people say, just give me whatever you want, whatever toppings, whatever ice cream. We do Reese's Pieces, M&Ms, both kinds of sprinkles, Oreos. I mean, we just pile it on. So we did the whipped cream, the Oreos, Hot Fudge, Gummy Worms, Cherries.
It was kind of a collaboration of all of us, and basically the customer would pay for the bucket challenge, and then if they finished it, they get a free t-shirt.
Oh, cool. Yeah. That's awesome.
People love attempting to finish the foot-long stack and then coming over and trying to finish this. Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect.
I love it. Very good. That's awesome.
Very good job.
Delicious.
Very good.